Here's a quick look at OrangeSlice Teacher Rubric, which is an add-on you can use for Google Docs. So I pushed out an assignment through Google Classroom, and some of these are graded already. I'm going to jump over here to a student account, show you what it looks like for this demo student 20. So this student is going to open, and we're just going to turn in that assignment. And then I am going to jump over to my teacher classroom. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and jump in this demo 20. See it's done. So here is my paper. And I'm going to go up to add-ons, which is in the top toolbar. Click on add-ons. I'm going to find OrangeSlice Teacher Rubric. You do have to go get this in the Chrome Web Store. And I'm going to click Score Rubric. It's going to appear on the right here. And the first thing I'm going to do is just pick the performance levels in the progression. I'm going to leave it descending, and I'm going to go ahead and have the great, good, average, needs more. And then I'm going to select my categories. These are customizable. You can change them later. So I'm going to click ideas, vocabulary, conventions, organization, and voice. And I can add another row at the bottom if I want to. And then you can see how you can customize in here. Your rubric is customizable, so I'm going to go ahead and click Create the Rubric. So you see that I got this little row for a grade here that appeared, and then the rubric appeared in the paper. And then I'm going to just say it's going to be 25 points. And I can also do some grade adjustments if I need to. I'm going to go ahead and say Finished. And I'm going to go up here to Grades. And then you'll see each category. I can give it the points. So I'm going to say for ideas, good. And then I also have a little feedback here. If I check that, I'll get a feedback box. So you could put some comments. And I'm not going to put very much right now, but so I'll say vocabulary was good. Average for conventions, I'm going to say review, MLA formatting, and organization. And then voice, and I might make a comment, positive comment here about how heard your voice loud and clear. And good start, maybe a recommendation, read out loud to yourself. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and process the grade. So it's going to process, and what happens then is I'm going to get these colored boxes to show the student the area, and then it automatically gives me that grade and percentage, and then I have my feedback in there. So I can go back over to my teacher. So if it doesn't show up right away, it usually clicks in, but you could always hit your refresh and it should pop in there. You should be able to see that graded account now with the 19 points. I can go in here then and just add that. And in the student account, we'll go jump over. And as you can see in my student account, it also shows up right there, and student can click on their assignment and they will see that rubric with your comments. So OrangeSlice rubric, very easy to use. Give it a try.